I'm going to be showing you a double arm chest press with a lunge. So step 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, square the hips, anchor the back heel, and let your elbows come up high behind you as you press the arms down at an angle. Now keep your front ribs knit in. This is really the key. The arm power comes from the core. This is about control, so less is more here. Exhale when you press, inhale, control it on the way back. Now a good goal is, can you do 10 rounds? Can you do 2 sets of 10? Can you do 3 sets of 10? And then make sure you do the same thing on the opposite side. Don't be surprised if one side is stronger than the other. This is all about control. You got this. Remember to breathe. Every little bit counts. After all of that sitting, this is gonna feel amazing to get your blood pumping, get you breathing, and open up your chest as you strengthen your shoulders and upper back. For more information and moves just like this, visit TA Petro and Mother Trucker Yoga. See you again soon.